So, good evening, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my Power BI dashboard. Title says Performance and Profitability Insights. The dataset I have used contains detailed sales transactions, including information on products, categories, subcategories, regions, quantity sold, revenue, and profit. The main goal of this project was to transform raw data into meaningful insights that can support business decisions. In many organizations, the data is stored in Excel sheets or databases, but without visualization, it is difficult to see patterns, trends, or problem areas. So, my objective was to design an interactive dashboard that can answer key business problems and questions. This is the dashboard. The page one is the executive overview page. On this page, I have created an executive overview that gives a quick summary of company's overall sales performance. At the top, I have displayed key performance indicators such as total revenue, sum of profits, then average order value, sum of quantity, and profit margin. These KPIs instantly help us understand how the business is performing at a glance. Here is a line chart showing revenue and profit trends over time, which helps identify growth or seasonal patterns. For example, we can easily see which months had peak sales or slowdowns. So to observe this, we can just drill down in terms of which apparels are the highest selling, and this is the sum of revenue and sum of profit by each day. Like it is a day wise, then this is a month wise trend which we can see, and this is a quarter wise variation. The purpose of this page is to give management or high level snapshot of overall performance before dividing into detailed analysis of the regional performance. The next page is the regional performance. This page focuses on a map, a visual map to show revenue and profit distribution across different states. Darker the colors represents higher revenue, while lighter shades indicate a lower performance areas. Alongside, there is a bar chart comparing revenue and profit by region. So we can clearly see which region are driving business's success and which might need some strategic attention or need a strategic change. There is also a slicer for selecting region. When I click on a region, say center, then it will highlight all the states in center region with uh, overall indication of revenue, profit, sum of quantity sold, and profit margin. So we can identify. Also, we can sort them according to like highest profit or highest quantity sold. So in terms of quantity sold, Illinois is the state with highest quantity or sum of quantity sold. In terms of revenue, Illinois again tops the list. However, in terms of profit margin, Iowa, which is a state in US, is the highest highest performing in terms of profit margin. The goal of this page is to support location-based decision making. For instance, identify where to allocate budgets and or expand operations. Likewise, we can check for East region, South region, and West region. So if we glide over this region, then this is a called as tooltip where we can just glide over various regions and identify key performance indicators. And there is also a drill through page attached to it. So when I press, for example, on Arizona, and I want to see a detailed report, then I can just right click, go to drill through and state drill through page, which will give me a overall idea in terms of sum of revenue by trend, sum of revenue, then profit margin, sum of profit, and uh, like top most 10 selling items and their profit margins. So if I can also drill down to see quarter to quarter change, like see first quarter shows sum of revenue, highest ever revenue in terms of Zara. And if I don't want for a product specific, then I can just change it. So this is in terms of quarter. This is the month-wise trend, and we can see that quarter two showed a dip in revenue as compared to quarter one, two, 1, 3, and 4. So this is month-wise trend where March shows the maximum sale of $120,000, and the minimum sale is observed in month of May, which is almost at $81,000. Also, like we can see for the region of Arizona, Adidas tracksuit uh, is bought maximum. So we can see in which month it is bought. So we can change the strategy. For example, in January, it is bought a maximum and the sales dipped down to March and stayed below the average for rest of the month. So like we can check for power bank. So if we want to check trend of buying a power bank, then we can just click here. Uh, Maximum power banks are bought in the month of March in the state of Arizona, which means that it is a summer month, so people travel during that month, so they need power bank or power backup for their phones. So let's just check for a hoodie. Then we can see as soon as the winter starts, there is a significant rise in sales of the hoodie also. And if we press back, then we will go back to the page of regional performance. Then next page is the category and subcategory analysis. Here I have included a stacked bar chart that shows revenue by category and subcategory. This helps us to see which products contribute the most to overall revenue and which one is underperforming. Below that, I have used the line chart to show you a subcategory trend over time, helping to spot growth or decline patterns in specific product lines. There is also a horizontal slicer which help us select the region, and there is also a matrix table where we can see conditional formatting in terms of profit percentage, and with minimum to maximum the shade goes from red to green. So there we can establish region wise trend, and we can check like if for in terms of center for electronics, like sale is for maximum in March, June, and is minimum in August. Likewise, we can establish trends. Also, if we check uh, for accessories, the sale is generally constant over any region. Also, there is not much fluctuation. However, region-wise, we can see that home and furniture shows a significant movement during entire year. Like we can double click on the specific line, so we can identify which region shows different more difference. Next is probability matrix, where this page shows or compares profit margin percentage across categories and regions. I have used the metric visualization. Uh, the matrix also includes data labels so that exact margin values can be seen along the side of insight. This page is especially useful for operational and pricing strategy decisions. It helps managers decide which categories or region can need attention or improve probability. So overall, this Power BI dashboard improves a complete view of company sales and profitability performance. It helps decision makers quickly identify performing products suitable for 3 to 4 meetings, and I can which can be condensed to get a summary. So this page also can be used for identifying top trending products, and the matrix table is a table which shows or indicates customers contributing maximum in each region. For example, we can identify which customer is contributing highest. So for a central region, Steven Schroeder is the person who is contributing maximum. Then from East region, it is Braden Byron. Then from South region, it is Kevin Hunter. And for West region, it is Melinda Keller. So these are the top 10 people contributing to the revenue of stores from the specific region. Also, there is a products which show a bottom 10 list, which means that it highlights products which are least sold, like Dyson vacuum wallet, Ashley recliner belt, vase, a Google Pixel 7, a tote bag, etc. And we can see same thing, like majority of products are from entire year sales is of $61,000 for West region, and for an entire state, we can see that Gap hoodie tote bag is the most least selling item, and likewise belt, watch strap, Timberland boots, power bank, charging cable, wallet, Pixel phone, sunglasses, etc. So this is the entire dashboard I created. And the state drill through page was prepared like this. The tooltip page was created like this just to get a hovering insight while carrying out the information on the regional performance page. Thank you.